Okay. Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics Academy. Now, in this class, we are going to see the 8th problem from 5th lesson. Okay. Let's enjoy the class. Now, a closely wound solenoid of 2000 turns. Okay. So, the number of turns is 2000. Okay. And the area of cross section. So, area of cross section is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Carrying a current of 4 ampere. So, I equal to 4 ampere. Okay. Is suspended through its center, allowing it to turn in a horizontal plane. What is the magnetic moment associated with the solenoid? Okay. So, magnetic moment equal to NIA. So, what is N? Number of turns is 2000 into I is 4 ampere into area, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4. So, when you multiply and then divide, then you can get 1.28. Okay. So much of magnetic moment. This much of Joule per Tesla. Okay. Next, what is the force? Okay. So, in second one, part A. The force is 0. Why? So, let us consider a uniform magnetic field. Okay. In that, we are keeping the solenoid. We are keeping the solenoid. Okay. So, the solenoid which can acting as a bar magnet. Okay. Now, it experiences a force along the direction of the magnetic field. Now, it can acting as a south pole. Then it experiences a force opposite to the direction of the magnetic field. Now, both the forces are acting in the opposite direction of equal magnitude. So, magnitude wise, both are equal but acting in the opposite direction, so that it experiences a zero force. Okay, right. The next one, the torque on the solenoid. Okay, so what is torque? So, torque equal to M.B sin theta. Okay. If B equal to 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla, set up at an angle of 30 degree. So, what is the angle? 30. Okay. So, M. So, what is the value of M? 1.28 into magnetic field. So, what is the value of magnetic field? 7.5. 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into sin theta. So, what is the value of sin theta? 30 degree. Okay. So, sin 30 degree. Okay. So, what is the value of sin 30? 0.5. So, 1.28 into 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into sin 30 is 0.5. So, when you multiply and divide, then you can get 4.8. 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2. Minus 2. So, what is the unit of torque? Then its unit is Newton meter. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts.